I'm about to rock your world by revealing the #1 myth about women and sex. Ready for it? Women want sex just as much as men do, if not more. Women are sexual, sensual beasts waiting to be released by the right man in just the right way, which is why in this video, I'm going to tell you 10 ways to get her in the mood, whether you're dating, seducing, or in a long-term relationship. So keep watching. I'm not going to give you a long-winded, boring intro about women and sex because I know you just want the goods, the insider information about how women work and what makes us tick. So here is my list of 10 ways to get us in the mood. Number 1, get her out of her head. The #1 thing that blocks or stops women from enjoying a sexual, sensual experience is that thing on top of her shoulders, her head. For women, sex is far more mental than it is physical. The more you help make a woman feel accepted, attractive, and safe during any sexual act, the more free she's going to be. When you provide a safe space, it allows a woman's mind to free itself of insecurities and actually enjoy being in the moment. If you ease her mind, you'll loosen her body. Number 2, calm her nerves. My nickname in school was the Kissing Bandit, which was a very fancy and nice way of calling me a huge prude. So when I was 18, I went backpacking in Australia and safely kissed my way up the East Coast. That is until I met a guy who broke me out of my shell. I met him at a club and we went back to our hostel and started making out with each other. Prude Marni instantly kicked back in and I clenched and I got really uncomfortable. But the amazing thing is that this guy noticed. Unlike other guys before him who pushed past my discomfort and kept going for what they wanted, he noticed my quick change in behavior, so he stopped. He looked me in the eye and he said to me, "I want you to be comfortable. If I do anything that makes you nervous or uncomfortable, just slap my hand, I'm going to stop immediately." And he literally took my hand and slapped his own. And I can tell you, there was no hand slapping that night, and I quickly got rid of my childhood nickname. Number 3, tell her exactly what you want. It drives me wild when a man tells me exactly what he wants to do to me. It's exciting and sexy and really good. Be a man, say exactly what you want, and you'll get to beat around a bush, but in a very different way. Number 4, pay her a real compliment, not an exaggerated one. Give a woman a real compliment about her inner core rather than her exterior. Evolutionary psychologists show that women are programmed to be skeptical of what men say. It's their way of protecting themselves from manipulative men who don't want to commit to relationships. The more a compliment is tailored to that specific woman, the more intimate and effective it is. Number 5, treat her like a lady. Yes, there is a part of most of us women that has the I want to be treated like the naughty sexual woman that I am, but that does not mean we want to be treated just like a whore. All the other fantasies and sexual scenarios can come into play, but you first have to see us, look at us, be with us, treat us with respect as a woman, and we'll make all your fantasies in the bedroom come true. Number 6, whip out your intelligence. Now, this may just be me, but I get a total female hard-on for men who are uber intelligent. Not the arrogant ones who want to attempt to school me on how much they know, mansplaining. The ones that just seem to know about stuff and talk about it with confidence and authority. So, use your intelligence as foreplay and then transition it to more. Number 7, tease her in public. I'm not talking about pulling her hair and telling her that she smells. I'm talking about being covertly inappropriate while out in public. For example, while sitting across the table from friends talking about politics, slide your fingers up her thigh and just around the underwear line. Do this for about 15 seconds and then remove your hand. Do it a couple of times in a night and she'll attack you as soon as you walk in the door. Number 8, bring out your inner caveman. Nothing puts me in the mood faster than when I can feel my man craving me. Women love to feel the desire of a man that they're into. Give your girl an unexpected, passionate kiss. Grab her hair gently and run your hands through it as your lips lock. And when dinner's over, pick her up, throw her over your shoulder and carry her into the bedroom and toss her onto the bed. Number 9, start flirting at 9 a.m. Anticipation is one of the most amazing aphrodisiacs. Send her 3 to 4 texts throughout the day telling her what you're going to do to her in the evening. Tell her how hot she is, that she turns you on, and then tell her you like it when she does X, Y, and Z. X, Y, and Z being the thing that is unique to just her so that she knows They're not canon lines. One note, don't get offended if she does not respond right away or even at all. Many women are not comfortable with this type of forwardness because they don't know how to respond. Just keep going. This shows her you're comfortable being sexual, and she can be too. Number 10, touch her slowly. I just got shivers with this one. Nothing turns me on more than when a man slowly touches me all over my body, starting with a light massage of my feet, then working his way up the leg to the inner portion of my thighs, moving on to caressing the sides of my belly and my chest, and ending by brushing my back and neck with his lips. Absolutely amazing. Guys who understand these things about women are incredibly rare, which is why the few who do get it also have way more sexual options than they can handle. And that's what I'm here to help you with. If you have been confused and frustrated by women, not sure where you're going wrong and why you can't seem to get it right, then I can help you. I've put together a free 15-minute video that tells you what we women really want from men like you and exactly how to give it to us. After watching this video, you are going to know more than 99% of the men on the planet, and I know that you will be eager to put what I show you to work immediately. Go take a look at this free 15-minute video by clicking the link below in the description box or going to winggirlmethod.com. Women want you. Not only will you discover what women secretly want, the kind of things only a fellow woman could ever tell you and could ever know, you'll also see exactly how to communicate with us in a way that builds the kind of sexual tension we fantasize about every single day. To watch this free 15-minute video on how to quickly and easily ignite feelings of emotional connection in any woman that you speak to, simply click the link below for all the details or go to winggirlmethod.com/women want you. I'm Marni. I'm your new best friend and your personal wing girl. I'll see you next week.